Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and on a day where Bitcoin is once again making all-time highs, Crypto.com's Kronos has a new meme token out that's been out for 2 days that is already up 10x, and I bought $200 worth of it today, so I want to give you guys an update. Now, when it comes to meme tokens in general, they are highly risky and highly speculative. So I'm going to talk about what this meme token is, what my thoughts are on it, where we're at with CRO Coin, what we expect with the CRO Coin price, and what I can expect with CAW, the meme token that the CRO fam seems to be going crazy over. Warning, guys, these are highly risky plays. I am also going to share with you a highly risky play that I'm still in the profit on, but I am currently riding out a huge dip on, and I'll show you guys the risks here when you're playing with these memes, guys. So it's not for everybody, but buckle up. Welcome back, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get right in. So today, yes, Bitcoin's doing well again. Out of the last 10 days, we have had 6 of those days printing all-time highs for Bitcoin. 6 out of 10 days, we've seen a new high for Bitcoin. So things are headed in the right direction, obviously. Over the last 7 days, we're up 10% on Bitcoin. We are in price discovery mode, and things are absolutely incredible for Bitcoin. And so a lot of people are wondering, when is the altcoin rally going to occur? And a lot of people are trying to say it's going to happen after the halving. Guys, it could happen at any moment. The fact is the money that flows into Bitcoin is then eventually going to flow into these altcoins. That's historically what we've seen out of these markets. And so you see right now a couple that are booming right now. Dog with hat, a meme token, up 30%. This one still might have a lot of upside too because it's 2.6 billion. When you compare it to some of the others out there like, well, actually, wow, it is way ahead of Bonk right now. When you compare it to Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, you know, maybe it has more upside. Maybe this thing needs to cool off. I'm not FOMOing into any of these plays because, again, these market caps are so high. We're going to continuously talk about market caps on this channel because if you don't understand market caps and then use that to understand where the value of something could go, then I think that's something you need to learn personally. So we'll keep talking about that. But let's focus in a little bit. So Kronos coin right now, if you look at the top coins, you will see Kronos right now is sitting in at rank number 37 at 16 cents and up 2% over the last 7 days. We had a really nice move recently out of CRO, which was great. And, you know, guys, it's because there's a lot of money flowing into crypto. Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com, came out with this tweet earlier from Crypto.com Research sharing this. This was actually a record day, guys. This is the first time that all the Bitcoin ETFs put together had over $1 billion in net flows for the day. That is a record, guys. We've had millions days, but now we've had a day where there is billions being poured into this market. And I think this trend continues, guys. I think we continue to have a parabolic rally for Bitcoin, and I think eventually altcoins are going to take some of this cash. When you look at the chart of Bitcoin on the weekly candles, yes, it's absolutely parabolic. So what we need to see is Bitcoin continue to run. And as Bitcoin steadies itself and cools off and has some consolidation moments, kind of like, like this, or moments like this, or moments like this, that is when you get the altcoins to rally, guys. And you look at Bitcoin right now, and from this moment right here, when you see this little red wick, you see this little red wick here, that's about the time that CRO Coin started this awesome rally. So I'm going to get to this meme token in a second, but it will depend on the success of the Kronos ecosystem. You have to be aware of that. That's my opinion, guys. Again, this is not financial advice, but if you are bullish on any meme coins in the Kronos ecosystem, then you better be bullish on CRO as well, because if the chain's not getting excitement, then the altcoins probably aren't going to get excitement within those chains. But certainly, there's been some good price movements on this thing overall. When you look at the market cap, or when you look at the price momentum that we've had here for CRO, since the bottom, really, we were already up about 230%, which is pretty darn good. Obviously, some other altcoins have done some bigger gains, like right now, Solana is still ripping. And from the bottom, Solana, as an example, which is definitely more of a popular ecosystem than Kronos at this point, from the bottom is currently up a whopping 2,000%. So a 20x from the lows, which is incredible. I think Kronos can do that as well. It's just going to take some patience. But in the meantime, people are starting to have some fun. So let's talk a little bit about this. It's called caw, okay? Like caw, right? Like a crow, okay? Because you got CRO Coin, you got Kronos, and so somebody got clever and created a CRO token. As you can see, it's not currently verified by CoinMarketCap. This is extremely risky. This could easily be a rug pull, guys. I know nothing about it. There's no partnerships. There's no affiliations. There's just gambling on meme tokens, guys, and I'm making you aware of the play. The reason I bought this is pretty darn simple, guys. You can see it's a top one gainer. It's trending, and it's only $1 million market cap when I bought it, and currently it is sitting at a $1.46 million market cap, so I'm already up 50% on that position. I put in $200, which frankly, I don't care about, but it was more of kind of a community play, my friends. It was more of a community play. Now, I want to share with you guys a little bit about it, and here's kind of why I decided to buy this thing. So I tweeted this out, and I said, okay, so I bought $200 worth of CRO, send it to the Moon Crow fam. Don't rug me or my people. Kronos Crow. So here's the official account. And guys, it's already got 5,200 followers, which is actually pretty interesting. It's all based off this crow, like literally a crow with a knife. It's called Crow with Knife. Ticker is CA, and it's a meme. It's just simply a meme. Corgi AI is a meme. Corgi AI is also a meme, guys. And if you can see, they've got 143,000 followers. Can Crow with Knife do that as well? It's a little darker. It's a little strange. It could be a rug. But you know what I see? I see a lot of the Crow fam, the Crow community talking about this right now. And frankly, that's what we want. We want some community excitement. We want some meme tokens that make people money. Hopefully it's not a rug, right? Make people some money. And so you never know. A token like this, maybe it could do 10x. In fact, if you look at what's going on right now and what it did recently, you'll see that from the bottom to the top, it already did about a 15x. Already did about a 15x from the bottom to the top. Frankly, this thing's only at 1.46 million. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go to 15 million. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing go to 20 million. I don't think this thing has any hope to go to like 100 million or even $1 billion market cap, but you really never know with crypto. So at $1 million market cap, I just threw $200 at it because frankly, the $200 doesn't matter to me, and it's fun to participate in these community tokens. There's a lot of risk with these things, guys. They could be rugs. You've got to be cautious. I'm going to give you a good example. So here's a coin called Pepe on Stacks. You've probably seen me talk about it on the channel. I put in about $4,000 into this token when it was at a very low market cap. Probably at about a $1 or $2 million market cap. I think maybe a $1 million market cap. And it turned into about $42,000, okay? I did take off, actually, I forgot that I took out some profit. I took out about $4,000 or $5,000 worth of profit and put it into some other meme tokens as well. So I almost got my initial investment back, probably got about 75% of my initial investment back. And I still have about $6,000 or $8,000, actually, it's very volatile, in this token. But this arguably could have been a rug. Clearly, it went up, it skyrocketed over just a couple days, and then boom, it just got wrecked. Actually, it got listed on Alex Labs recently, and since it got listed on Alex Labs, it started to dump. There's some rumors going on about Alex Labs and Stacks, so please be careful with any of the meme tokens specifically on that platform. We got to get more information on some of that. So there's a lot of risk to be had in some of these altcoins, but there's also a lot of reward. You know, again, I turned about $4,000, $5,000 into $48,000 in like a week, and I took some 5 off the table or something like that, and now it's down to like 8 again. I'm kind of holding. I have a whole hypothesis of Stacks tokens. You should follow this channel and learn more about Stacks. If you're not familiar with Bitcoin DeFi that's being built, that's what I'm really bullish on. But here's the warning, guys. If you're buying CRO token, this can happen. So yes, this thing's making crazy gains, and right now it is on this video currently going for more highs. I got about now probably $300 in this token. I'm going to see what it does, guys. The strategy is, you know, when you're up, take some off the table. Get your initial investment off. Get at least half your initial investment off the table. That's what I'm doing. Black C's done a tremendous job of doing that. He always likes to double it, take out the initial, and move on, and it's a great strategy, guys. Depends. You can have your own unique strategies with this. This is extremely high-risk play. I'm not endorsing this thing. I'm not saying to buy it. I'm just saying I bought some, and I like community tokens, and I think this is funny. Caca, you know, CRO Coin. It's a CRO token. I love it. I don't know, guys. That's all I got in this one. I mean, look, when it comes to the CRO prices, let's talk about the Kronos price, I guess. Looking at CRO right now, guys, we are doing well. CRO versus Bitcoin is still hanging in there, guys. On the weekly candle, we are getting our first red weekly candle for CRO versus Bitcoin. So we got to be aware of that. I do think we continue our trend upward for CRO versus BTC. I also think that we continue our trend upward for CRO versus the dollar. If CRO versus the US dollar. If we do see CRO Coin break above the 27-cent level, I think we absolutely explode up to maybe even 40 or 50 cents in a hurry. That could be around the corner. I am expecting an altcoin rally, and that is why I am dabbling with some of these silly plays, some of these plays that I have a strong hypothesis with, like I do have with Cronos coin, like I do have with Stacks. I do also have a strong belief with the Welsh token, as we've talked about, and I'm dabbling with some of these other ones, Pepe on Stacks, Caw on Kronos. At the end of the day, if these DeFi ecosystems are vibrant, like Kronos, like Stacks, then likely these meme tokens are going to get some action as well. You just saw the tweet from Chris Marziak at the beginning of this. Billions of dollars are flowing in crypto from institutions as people that were holding cryptocurrencies make a bunch of money and they take profits. They might start gambling on some of these low-cap memes. They might start shuffling money into some of these other mid-cap, high-cap altcoins that a lot of people have been excited about, like Kronos, like a VeChain, like some of these other ones out there that people are so excited about, waiting for an altcoin explosion. Guys, that's my update for you today. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, don't gamble too much, take profit, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Guys, I'm actually going out of town, so I will be remote from Mexico and then from Utah the week after. I'm traveling a lot, so get ready, guys. Some interesting updates coming for you soon. That's all I got. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.